Welcome to the step-by-step user guide for operating your Forest Master 40-volt 16-inch cordless electric chainsaw safely and effectively. First, begin by putting on a pair of heavy-duty protective safety boots to ensure proper footing and foot protection. Next, put on a set of chainsaw chaps or protective trousers designed to prevent cuts and injuries during operation. Put on a pair of heavy-duty cut-resistant safety gloves to protect your hands while handling the equipment. Put on a safety helmet equipped with a protective visor to shield your head and face from falling debris and flying wood chips. Carefully slide the protective guide bar cover off the chain before getting ready to operate the saw. Ensure that both fully charged 20-volt battery packs are firmly inserted into their designated slots until they click securely into place. Disengage the chain brake and emergency kickback guard by pulling it back toward the front handle until it locks into the active operating position. Press and hold the thumb safety lock button located on the side of the handle first so that you can depress the main trigger to start the chain. Cut your timber by levering the saw through the wood and immediately push the front handguard forward to engage the chain brake as soon as you finish the cut. Slide the protective cover back over the guide bar and chain whenever the saw is not in active use to protect the sharp edge and prevent damage. You can then safely remove both battery packs to prevent any accidental power startup while handling or storing the machine. Following these basic steps ensures you get the absolute best performance out of your Forest Master chainsaw every single time. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.